everyone. Myself, Miss Pooja Suhas Kelkar, first year BMS student from Gomantak Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya and Research Center, Shiroda, Goa. Today, I am going to discuss the classification of Dravya. किंचित दोष प्रशमनम, किंचित धातु प्रदूषणम, स्वस्थवृत्तो मतं किंचित त्रिविधम द्रव्यम उच्यते. In this shloka, Acharya Charak says that Dravya can serve for three purposes, that is, Kinchit Dosha Prashamana, Kinchit Dhatu Pradushana and Svastavritta. You can refer further 2 slides for Sandhi and Samas. Vayu Pittam Kapasheti Trayo Dosha Samasataha. As we know, in our body, 3 dosha are present, that is, Vata dosh, Pitta dosh and Kapha dosh. Rasasruka Mamsa Medosti, Majja Shukrani Dhatavaha. In our body, there are Sapta Dhatus, that is, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja and Shukra. And third one is Svastavritta, that is, health of individual. Dravya can classified under 3 categories, that is, Dosha Prashamana, Dhatu Pradushana and Svastavritta. Tatra Ruksho Laghu Shitaha, Khara Sukshmashchalo Nilaha. These are the qualities of Vata dosh. Vata dosh represent movement. Imbalance can cause dryness, anxiety and improper digestion. Shaman Dravya are Gud and Ashwagandha. Pittam Sasneha Tikshnoshna, Laghu Visram Sarandravam. These are the qualities of Pitta dosh. It represents transformation. Imbalance can cause acidity and inflammation. Shaman Dravya are Kushmanda and Amalaki. Snigdha Shita Gurur Manda, Shlakshna Mrusna Sthira Kafaha. These are the qualities of Kapha dosh. It represents stability. Imbalance can cause lethargy. Shamana Dravya are Tulasi and Pippali. The first dhatu is Rasa dhatu. It may affect fluid balance and digestion. Shaman Dravya are Amalaki and Haritaki. Second dhatu is Rakta dhatu. Rakta dhatu helps to remove toxins from the body. Shaman Dravya are Neem and Chandan. Third one is Mamsa dhatu. It is essential for muscle development and strength. Shaman Dravya are Mamsa and Haldi. Next is Meda dhatu. It supports hormonal balance and metabolic function. Shaman Dravya are Ghee and Taila. Majja dhatu. It is essential for neurological health and function. Shaman Dravya are Adrak and Brahmi. Asti dhatu. It is essential for movement and posture. Shaman Dravya are Tila and Saindhava. Shukra dhatu. It is essential for fertility and hormonal balance. Shaman Dravya are Shatavari and Makarut. Svastavritta. It advocates hydration, balanced diet, stress management and exercise. Amalaki has antioxidant property which supports overall health. Use Adrak to improve circulation. For the hydration, we can consume coconut water for its natural electrolyte. Ashwagandha helps to reduce anxiety. Let's see the clinical application. Sandhivat. Symptoms: dryness, stiffness and cracking sound. Treatment Dravya: Eranda, Dashamula, Ashwagandha and Trigatu. Next is Amla Pitta. Symptoms: burning sensation and inflammation. Treatment Dravya: Shatavari, Guduchi, Draksha, Neem. Kasa. Symptoms: mucus accumulation and lethargy. Treatment Dravya: Gugulu, Hinga, Haritaki, Pippali. Let's see the clinical application for dhatu. First is Rasa dhatu. Disease: Rakta Shosha and Pandu. Symptoms: dryness. Treatment Dravya: Shatavari, Draksha, Guduchi, Yashtimadhu. Pitta. Symptoms: inflammation, bleeding. Treatment Dravya: Chandana, Ushira, Nima, Manjishtha. Mamsa Shosha. Symptoms: reduced muscle mass. Treatment Dravya: Ashwagandha, Bala, Kapikacchu, Gugulu. Medarog and Staulya. Symptoms: heaviness, लिथार्जी, एक्सेसिव्ह स्वेटिंग. ट्रीटमेंट द्रव्य त्रिफळा, पिप्पली, त्रिकटू. अस्थिक्षय सिम्पटम्स पेन, ब्रिटलनेस. ट्रीटमेंट द्रव्य एरंडतैल, बलातैल, अश्वगंधा, दशमूल. मज्जाक्षय सिम्पटम्स कन्फ्युजन, वीकनेस. ट्रीटमेंट द्रव्य शतावरी, ब्राह्मी, मंडूकपर्णी, एरंडतैल. शुक्रक्षय सिम्पटम्स वीकनेस, इनफर्टिलिटी. ट्रीटमेंट द्रव्य शतावरी, गोक्षूर, कप्पिकच्चू, अश्वगंधा. Let's see clinical application for Swasthawritta. Ahar Vidhi to ensure proper digestion and nourishment. Dravya use for Deepana, ginger and ajwain. For Rasayan Chikitsa, use ghee, milk and honey. Use of seasonal fruit and moong dal for balancing Tridosh. Thank you.